The tiny little worms that you see in your bathroom. These are actually drain fly larvae, but are commonly known as shower worms because of their creepy crawling behavior. So the fly eggs hatch into these worms. Then these worms turn into flies, then they further lay eggs, and the cycle keeps on repeating. But where do they actually come from? Most of the time they are coming from the dirty drain pipes because that's where they usually lay eggs, but that's not their only source of origin. In many cases, they may be laying eggs behind your hollow bathroom tiles and coming out from the gaps in caulking caused because of the poor bathroom construction work. These creatures love humidity, so if your bathroom doesn't have a proper ventilation, then this may increase their reproduction cycle. But how you gonna get rid of them? In order to get rid of them and completely remove them from your bathroom, you have to somehow disrupt their life cycle, and you can do that by killing all the larvae and trapping or killing the adult flies. But before doing anything, you have to first identify where they are coming from. Go and check your bathroom drain pipes right now. Are they too dirty? Can you see some sticky substance inside the pipe? Well, that's a red flag. Now check your bathroom walls and flooring. Can you see some cracks and openings? Try tapping the tiles with a wooden stick. Does they sound hollow? Well, that's where they may be laying their eggs. Now follow this simple workflow to completely remove shower worms from your bathroom. Firstly, create an apple cider vinegar bait to kill the drain flies so that they stop laying eggs. So here's what you do. Buy some apple cider vinegar if you don't already have some. Take a solo cup or any other cup you don't mind having dead flies in. Fill the cup halfway with the apple cider vinegar. Then add a drop or two of Dawn dish soap and give the cup a good stir to disperse the soap throughout the apple cider vinegar. The purpose of the dish soap is that it breaks the surface tension of the apple cider vinegar. Basically, without it, any fly could simply land on the surface of the vinegar and not sink. The dish soap removes the surface tension so these flies land on the ACV thinking that they're going to get a tasty drink and then they sink down to the bottom of the cup and drown. This will kill the adult flies and help reducing the amount of eggs. Next, you have to thoroughly clean all of your drain pipes, and trust me, you do not need a professional drain cleaner or a plumber to do that. Just pour a cup of baking soda and 2 cups of vinegar down the drain before bed. Let it sit overnight and then flush the mixture with a bucket of boiling water. Repeat the process daily for a week, and you will see results for sure. Now, because the vinegar is acidic in nature and baking soda is a base, make sure the quantity of vinegar you use should be more than that of baking soda. Otherwise, they both will neutralize each other, and the reaction will form a harmless salt that will do nothing. If you haven't cleaned your drain pipes for the last 1,000 years and the drain pipes have too much organic buildup, you might have to use a drain cleaner before using the baking soda and vinegar method. That Plus Drain Clog Remover will do the job and is easily available on Amazon.com. Next, you have to seal all the cracks and openings between your tiles, grout, and corners. Try to scratch the old grout completely, use a vacuum cleaner to clean the grout, and now reapply a fresh sealant between your tiles. All these steps, when done correctly, will completely eliminate all the shower worms and their eggs. And to completely keep these crawling creatures away from your bathroom, make sure you keep your bathroom clean and dry. Clean your drain pipes regularly and do not let the organic waste to build up inside your drains, as it will be a straight invitation to these crawling creatures. If these remedies works for you, please leave comments below and let others know so that they can also benefit from it. And do not forget to like and share this video with your friends and family.